Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making shortcake. It's strawberry season, so I'm going to make some shortcake for my strawberry shortcake. You need 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of milk, a stick of butter, 1 egg, a cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. First, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to mix 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. I would usually use a spoon to do this, but we're going to be cutting our butter with a knife, so I thought to save time in doing dishes, I just use a knife. Now let's add a stick of butter and cut it into our flour mixture. Let's set our flour mixture aside and crack 1 egg into 1/3 cup of milk. Now let's beat the egg into the milk. Pour the egg and milk into the flour mixture and mix together. Ultimately, I end up using my hands. Once everything's mixed together, we're going to put our shortbread dough into a greased pan. We'll use our hands to spread it across the pan. This mixture is really sticky, so you may need to wet your hands to do this. Now that it's all spread out, it's time to bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. You can serve your shortbread with a topping like strawberry shortcake, or you could serve it by itself. It's delicious with coffee. Once you make this, you'll never go back to store-bought shortbread. It's so easy to make and so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me, and have a great day.